You seeing this? Pagka tinotolerate mo yung bad behaviors ng ilan, you're telling kung 60 yung tao mo, if you're tolerating the bad behavior of the 10 people, you're telling the 50 people their effort doesn't count. Okay lang na hindi ka maghusay sa iyong trabaho. Look at these people. They're not performing well. They're okay. Kaya anong sabi ng iba? Huwag mong galingan, dadami ang trabaho mo. Diba? Di bali ng tamad, hindi naman pagod or wag lang pagod. Diba? Kasi the culture becomes a culture that rewards mediocrity. Ngayon, ano yung fair? Equal is not always fair. Right? If you treat the high performers and the poor performers equally, you're unfair. You're unfair to the people who are working very hard. So what is fair? Treat those people who are working hard fairly, recognize, appreciate, reward their high performance. Make those people who are not performing well accountable for their performance and behavior. Okay? If they're negligent, meron naman tayong code of discipline, di ba? May code of discipline tayo sa kumpanya. You have to make them accountable. Okay? Whatever we do, whatever we say, do, tolerate, becomes the culture of your team. Bakit yung mga tao ko, mga pabaya sa trabaho? Because you tolerated pabaya sa trabaho. No? So, you can be defensive about that, but that will not change until you make people accountable. So, pag sinabi ng mga tamad doon sa yung team, unfair naman dito. Aalis na ako. Kailangan mo certificate of employment. Tulungan kita. Saan ka lilipat? Kailangan ng referral. Diba? Good riddance. That gives you an opportunity to look for people who can actually perform at the standard that you set for your team. Di ba? Yun yung malinaw doon sa shape up or ship out mindset. Okay? Tandaan natin, yung title ng ating workshop ay High Performance Leadership, hindi Low Performance Leadership. You have to know na your kindness is deserved by those who align with your goals, those people who align with your values. No? So parang kung gusto nating maging world-class ang PATC 5 years from now, we want it to be the haven for people who likes to think and work at a global standard.